So good morning from African Ocean Homestead. We just had a big rain and the morning is beautiful. And I got a little okra coming in, and the butterfly pea is looking fabulous. So I decided to do some cutting. Everything looks a mess around here. I'm moving some things to the plot. So I decided to do some grass cuttings, and look what I was visited by. Look at the size of this snail. I'm going to put my hands beside it so you can see how big it is. It's huge. So he's munching on something. I threw out some, oh, he's munching on an old leaf from this plant that I have here in the corner, which is huge, and I have to trim it and get some of the pups out of it, the babies out of it. So also this morning I took some babies off of this plant so I can make some more of this spider plant. Then I have some more of the butterfly peas that need to be taken to the plot. And I have another okra. And my greens have been doing really, really good. I eat greens every day. So I'm testing out these little seedlings, these little cuttings, of the grass. Because at the plot we don't have a lot of grass and I have time. Let me see, what else have I done this morning? This is a pigeon pea. I need to get that pigeon pea out. That pigeon pea needs to get out. Peppers are doing good. Oh, there's another little okra. Bamia. And the pineapple plant. The other pineapple plants are down at the plot now. Here's my new grill. I'm going to take some cuttings off of this. I think it's called an Exora. I'm going to take some cuttings. I took a little pup from the cannons and put that in there to root it. I collected some rainwater from last night. Got some rainwater here collected. And I'll be glad to put the the garden boxes down at the plot pretty soon. So, oh, let me see. I took cuttings. I don't know the name of this plant, but this morning I took cuttings from it and put them here. So I'm going to take some more cuttings. And the grass needs to be cut, but it's been raining. And the collard needs to be trimmed. So this is my collection. I gotta, oh, I did cut my lemongrass, but it's shooting up again, which is good. You hear the crow? I already chased him once. I need to go chase him again. If not, he'll crow all morning. I don't know why he just doesn't crow and go about his business. But anyway, that's it for now. I'm going to make some more cuttings, and I have to pot up my I need to pot up my basil. I gotta find pots to put these in. I'm running out of pots. And my sweet potato vine over here, I need to find something to do with it. So anyway, that's it for now. It's a beautiful morning. That way is the beach. It's my neighbor's papaya. There's a trellis that needs to be fixed. and talk to you later. Don't forget to like, comment. Thank you.